Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Real Wick TV. In this video today, we're gonna be exploring nature. We're gonna be outside for this video today, really just appreciating God's creation. I'm gonna be showing y'all some beautiful scenery. We're gonna be having fun in the video. Also, you're gonna see me running uphill, running down the hill, doing some crazy stuff in this video. So like, share and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy the content.